Now, in this chapter 4 for accounting 1B, we're still looking at the cost concept and those relationships. We can have a cost such as a mixed cost. A mixed cost is a cost that has both a fixed component to it as well as a variable cost component. And if you were thinking about that, something that we might have all taken a look at or experienced in life would be a rental car. With a rental car, you're going to be paying, or a U-Haul truck, you pay a fixed amount per day, say $19.95 a day, plus 30 cents per mile. So the more miles you drive, the higher the total cost, but that's going to be just based on the number of miles you drive. But the $19.95 a day is fixed. So we're going to, in this cost concept chapter, break down all of our costs into two components, and that's fixed or our variable cost, as we saw in the previous little lecture I did. So here we have a cost where it says for 8,000 hours, it's going to cost us $15,000. So that's a fixed component. In addition to that, for every hour over 15,000, we are going to have a variable component, and that is going to be here $1. So we're going to look at 12,000 units, and we are going to be charging $1 per hour over, I guess it's 10,000 is the agreement. Okay? So we can graphically look at this, and we can see then that we have our fixed component graphed here as a straight line, and then we have a variable component here as it continues up the chart. So it has both components of a fixed and a variable cost. We're going to break those costs out and separate them between fixed and variable. We're going to need to use that in this chapter for purposes of some of our estimating. Is this posted?